I am here with the county CEO himself, Jeff Van Wagenen, at the 32nd WRCOG General Assembly.
We're talking to elected officials, we're talking to member agencies, and we're talking to our sponsors about the value of being in an event like this and the value of partnering with WRCOG.
And we have in our room one of our largest crowds, so we end up having sort of that one-stop shop for people who need to get things done. Whether you're on the elected side, the business side, or the staff side, they all come together at the General Assembly.
So we've got an opportunity tonight to speak with some of our sponsors for the event. If you would you tell everybody who you are, where you're from, and why it's important for you to be here?
SCE has been a longtime sponsor of the WRCOG General Assembly. Great opportunity to network, talk about all the great things going on in the county and with Southern California Edison. So really excited to be here tonight.
This is a place where you can meet leaders of the city, the county, staff, community leaders, and business leaders all in one gathering, and also learn from some fantastic speakers over the years. So it is a pleasure and it's an honor to continue to be a sponsor of this great event.
Today I'm here as an administrator for the Riverside County Superintendent of Schools, and we're here to learn from our municipal partners. On my free time, I'm a council member in the city of Coachella, and so we're happy to be here from the east side. Getting some ideas, seeing what we can duplicate out in the east part of the county.
It is really key for us to collaborate and partner with all of our partners in WRCOG, the cities, the water agencies. I think as we face the challenges ahead of us as a region, we need to work together to meet those challenges.
We want to engage cities. We want to, of course, tell our story, but we also want to understand what's happening. I'm a former city manager. To really understand what the issues are that's facing the elected officials and the administration every day is really important for us so we can better improve our product and really make it a tool that every city wants.
We've got live music, we've got a social atmosphere.
And we've got a legendary Pulitzer Prize winning author who's going to speak to the group tonight about really leadership in turbulent times, and really how do we grow as leaders to really improve the quality of life for those we serve.
This is where you get to be known. This room was packed with almost 700 and I want to say 730, maybe 740 people. That's why I love these events, is because I get to meet new people and I can reconnect with people I've known for years.
To have all these people, electeds, whether it's a city council, a water district, a school board, a parks board, all here together with city staff, professionals in different departments, different regions, different areas of expertise, and discussing how we can partner for our future. How can we improve and better our region together?